Good morning, dear students. We will just see how to work out the sum. One of your companions had asked. So the question is like this. In an arithmetic progression, the ratio of the first term and common difference is 3:2. And sum of the first 26 terms is 1456. Find the arithmetic progression and also find which term of the AP is 62. Okay, so this is the question. Now let's see how to work out. Now they have told ratio of the first term and common difference is 3:2. So first term we denote by A1, okay, and common difference D. So ratio of this is given as 3:2. So A is nothing but, we can write it as A by D is equal to 3/2. Okay. So when we cross multiply, so we get it as 2A is equal to 3D. So let's keep this equation at one side. Now we'll go to the next part. So in the next part they have told sum of the first 26 terms is given. Sum of the first 26 terms, which is equal to 1, 4, 5, 6. So you know the formula for sum. So what's the formula for sum? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus, we go to the first formula, n minus 1 of d. So this is the first formula. So S26, wherever n is there, you have to put 26 divided by 2 into 2 into a. A is not given, so we put it as a. N, we know that from here we come to know that n is equal to 26. So in place of n, I put 26 minus 1 d. D is also not known. We put d as d. Value of S26 is known. 1, 4, 5, 6 is equal to, we can cancel here, 2 1s are, 2 13s are. So 13 of 2a plus 25d. 26 minus 1 is 25. Okay. Further we can bring this down. 13 comes down. 1, 4, 5, 6 divided by 13 is equal to, open the bracket. Now we have got 2a is equal to 3d. So you can substitute, instead of 2a you can put 3d plus 25d. Okay. Now here I think it goes 13 1s are, 13 1s are. So 1 carry, again 13 1s are, 2 carry. So it becomes 26, 13 2s are. So what you get finally is 112 is equal to 3d plus 25d is 28d. So you can do direct cancellation, or 112 divided by 28 is equal to d. So you can start with the smaller number or you can take the bigger number itself. I'll start with the smaller number. 2 1s are 2 4s are, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 6s are. You know that 14 goes, 14 1s are, 14 4s are. So we got the value of d here. So d is equal to how much? 4 we got. Now you can find the value of a. Now how to find the value of a? You already know the relationship 2a is equal to 3D. So substitute 2a is equal to 3 into, what is the value of d we got? 4. So substitute here. So 2a is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 by 2. So a will be 6. That is the first term will be 6. Okay, we'll go to the next part of the question. They have asked which term is 62. Which term of AP will be 62? So you know A, you know D. Now which term is 62 means we take AN as 62. You have to find N. So we go to the nth term formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. Okay. So 62 is equal to, A is how much? We have already found out 6 plus N is unknown. D is already found out 4. Substitute. Okay. 62. Bring this 6 this side. It will be minus 6 equal to N minus 1 into 4. So 62 minus 6, it will be equal to 56 is equal to N minus 1 into 4. You can do direct cancellation or you can bring this 4 down. So it will be 56 by 4 is equal to N minus 1. So which 2 2s are? 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 8s are 16, again 2 1s are 2 14s are. So we get N minus 1 is equal to 14. So N is equal to 14 plus 1, which is equal to 15. So 62 is 15th term.